Hello my Paraholic friends, Loida here from loveacrylicpainting.com. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to do this embellished acrylic pour with some crushed glass and some golden accents. We will be using some realistic water, some alcohol ink from Pinata, some of this crushed glass in different shades, gold and silver, and a little spatula. And I'm just going to add a little bit of this realistic water to my painting. This will help me glue down my crushed glass. It will also give a nice shine to my painting, and it will also help that alcohol ink float on the surface of the painting to give it some nice effects. So just spread that out with your fingers, and it does dry pretty fast, so you have to be kind of quick when you do this. And this is gold alcohol ink, and you're just going to add some of that and then mix it in with your spatula. But the alcohol ink dries up pretty fast, really fast. So you only have a few seconds to do this. Otherwise, it'll start breaking up in chunks and it'll lose its luster. So you want to work quick, with this. And it's basically just the gold color from Pinata. Now, I'm going to add this gold in several sections of my painting. And after I do that, I'm going to start adding a little bit of that crushed glass. So just feel free to add that wherever you want. And it needed a little bit more realistic water in there, so I just added a little bit more. If you add too much, you'll start getting some puddles in the middle of your painting, so you also want to be careful about how much you add. But it doesn't really crack once it dries. It's super nice. It gives your painting a super nice looking, nice wet look at the end, when it dries. So I love this product. Now let me see, what are we doing next? I think we are just adding the crushed glass after this. So yeah, we're going to start adding some of our pieces and just basically layering them on top of my painting. And as you can see in the middle, I added too much of this realistic water, and because it's puddling in the middle, that golden that gold is basically moving. It cracked and it's shifting towards the middle, so I'm going to have to fix that in just a bit. So that's why you want to be careful when you do that, especially when it's a canvas that is not really supported in the back. If it's something that is really sturdy, doesn't have, it doesn't bend in the middle, then you're, more free of adding, you're free to add a little bit more of that realistic water without having to worry too much about the puddling. But I guess, this is how we learn, by little mistakes. And here I'm just adding my glass. This is just crushed glass in different sizes. Right there, I'm kind of pushing it back, but it's still going to want to go to the middle. But I have some golden crushed glass here, and I'll also be adding some silver pieces. The silver pieces are a little bit smaller in size than the crushed golden pieces, and so it's just going to add a different look, when you mix those bigger and smaller pieces. Now I'm just going to shut up and let you enjoy the rest of the video. And if I need to jump in to clarify some things here and there, I'll do that.